Outrage this evening from a road safety official following an incident which left 3 unidentified women were used as targets at a car and bike show. Our news team got a video capturing the event, which is believed to have taken place a week ago at a plaza on Hagley Park Road in St. Andrew. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
The video, which is about 2 minutes, shows a car maneuvering around the woman at high speed as onlookers record the event with their cell phones. It gets more interesting. A bike joins the activity. The rider speeds around the woman and the car follows. Director of the National Road Safety Unit, Canute here, expressed alarm after viewing the video.
That video clip highlights wanton recklessness, and I would like to implore the person, they may be doing this for a sport, but this is not what's supposed to be done under any circumstances whatsoever. And this is not a sport whatsoever.
He argues that the incident placed patrons at risk and outlined that drivers must be held accountable.
What was done was outright dangerous and totally contrary to the principles of proper road etiquette, irrespective of the fact that it was executed in a private parking lot.
In the meantime, the regulatory body governing motorsport in Jamaica has also weighed in on the incident. Chairman of the Jamaica Millennium Motoring Club, Stephen Gunter, says an investigation will be launched.
The event depicted in a video of a blue Toyota Starlet maneuvering around persons standing in a parking lot was not sanctioned by the JMMC and is therefore illegal. The JMMC is very concerned about the event seen in the video. We will investigate and take appropriate action. There are several disciplinary actions that can be taken against any member of the JMMC or holder of a JMMC competition license.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.